Hey everybody, welcome back to 12 Days of Christmas. We are on day 3. Today's project is another version of the Slim wallet. This is what I call my business card wallet. It's more of a traditional layout instead of the Slim where it's 2 vertical pockets. This one here has the 2 pockets like so, and then it folds closed. This has the same capacity as the Slim wallet from yesterday. They hold the same amount of stuff. It's just a different layout. But I find that both of these sell like hotcakes on my vending table, so I wanted to give you both options. So grab the downloadable PDF template and let's make some business card wallets. When you download this template from my website, there are going to be 2 options for this interior edge. It is a rounded option or an angled option, that a recessed V. And then you can see now what I like to do is just the same angles that I do on my Slim wallets. Again, this is for batch cutting purposes. It just makes cutting them out so much quicker. But so now you have 3 different options of ways that you can do your interior angles or your interior finished edge. So use the pattern template if you want the rounded or if you want the V option. Otherwise, what you're going to do is take your business card main panel, the only panel, and I'm going to line up both of my short edges here. And I'm going to do the same thing like I did with my Slim wallet. I'm just going to angle it down a 1/2 inch. So I'm starting at the corner up here where they meet, and then I'm angling it in a 1/2 inch. Trim that off. And then you'll see this is what we have, this one big panel. So now what we need to do is we need to fold our edges to create the pockets. And so I'm going to fold up one edge so I'm measuring from the top point, not the lower point, the taller point, 2.25 inches up, and then I'm going to clip it. And I'm going to repeat on this side. So 2.25 and then clip. And now this doesn't need to be immaculate. You know, you have some leeway here. You have a nice big depth here that you can work on or work with. It doesn't need to be exact. But so 2.25 up, clip, and then we're going to go stitch all the way around. Now when I'm stitching, I like to start right here at one of the joins, and I don't backstitch yet because I'll backstitch at the end, but every time I'm meeting up on one of these little joins, I'm backstitching just to add extra security. And just like with the Slim wallet, we just need to trim these edges that we sewed down so that they are nice and even. And there you have it, one business card wallet. And now we have arrived at the end of day 3. I hope that you enjoyed this short video, and I will see you back here tomorrow for day 4.